Hello friends. So let's learn here two or more input functions in one line. How to get the input, how to take the input from the user in one line by using the input function. Let's move forward to learn it. So let's see how to use the input function in one line. Okay. See, earlier we were asking the user, like I am writing here, sorry, input, and I am writing enter your name. Okay, enter your name, and after that I am asking the admission number. Fine. So again I am saying that enter your number. Fine. Clear. Now how to get the input? I will simply ask the user. Okay, I'll simply ask the user. Like I will write here print name. Clear. And next print, I will say I will write here admission number. Okay, so let's save it. Let me save the file, and I will write here student student. Okay, so if I will run here and it okay, admission number. Okay, let me change. I will write here enter your registration. Okay, so I will write here registration, registration, and here also registration. Okay, done. So let me do the correction here also. Registration, save. Fine, I will write here. Now it will ask me my name. Okay, my registration. Okay, enter your registration number. So if I will write here 153 something like, okay, because I simply have written there the, if I will run it again, it will tell me, oh, I did not use input function, that's why it was not taking the input from me. Okay, so if I will simply write here my name, okay, and I will write here fine. So it will tell me my this registration number and this. Okay. Now the thing is that, see, the name, the my name Ruchi is stored in the name variable, and this number is stored in the registration. Now the thing is that I have written, I am taking the input here two times. Okay, from the user. Like I am writing here two times, name input and registration input. Now if I want to take it want the input in a one line only, I am not asking it again and again. So how to do that? Simply I will just, let me do, okay, and I will write here that name, oh sorry, I will write here name, okay, comma, registration, okay, name, comma, registration, fine, is equal to, I will take input, input, then I will write here enter your name and registration. Okay, fine, and registration. Now here I will use the split function, split. Okay, So split, what it is doing, it is simply just splitting the string into the substrings. Fine. So we will learn it more in further videos. Okay. So let's see what is the use of it here. Okay. I have saved. I will run it again. So it is asking me here like this way. I will write here Ruchi and space. Okay. 13211, whatever. So you can see here I have to give the space by myself. Okay, Ruchi, after that I am giving the space, then I am writing the admission number. But suppose if I don't want to give the space here, then what I have to do? See, I can use here commas. I can use here space, and that will be separated by comma. Okay, so let's see the output here. What it is saying, Ruchi. Okay, if I am writing like this way, it will show me the error. Why it is showing me the error? Because I did not make it separate with the space or with the comma. Okay, so it will count it as one only, one input. Otherwise I am asking the user to give me the two inputs, one this and the another one is this one. Fine, another one is this one. Clear? So let's run it again. Fine. Let me save and write it again here. If I am giving the input that Ruchi, comma 13213, now you will get the input like this way. So this is how we can have the input in different ways. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept. Thanks for watching my video, and please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support.